So that doesn't even make... Oh! That is so cute! Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Angelica here. If you're new, then come in, have a seat, have several seats. And if you're not new, thank you for having me once again, all up on your screen. Today we are doing a day in the life of myself. So I'm going to be taking you through my day. This is going to be an average day in the life. I'm just going to show you what I usually get up to. I have already woken up, of course. I've had my shower. I've done my morning routine. So I've meditated and done my morning reflection, which usually just involves me doing my affirmations and just like reflecting. And then I've done a bit of admin this morning. So yeah, I'm pretty much like done for this morning. Like, I'm just gonna go straight to university, so we're starting quite early today, so I need to get going.
LSE is so fun. We play hopscotch. His one is over there, mate.
That's not what I said.
Wait, what did you do?
One study shows that the technology misidentifies 98% of people, and yet they're using this as a basis for police harassment. Hey, I'm going to focus on the policy kind of issues today.
It's easy to gather data and to mine the data, so people just skip the part where they think about what are the possible causes of something.
So why is that a concern actually? What's the outcome of that? Yeah.
District attorney in the county of Alameda, I'm seeing a lot of prosecutions of people who've been targeted on
highlight them in different colors, so you see here he's talking about liberals, here he's talking about Republicans, here he's talking about percent. Users, everyone will feel like they participate.
I think I would agree with that. I feel like you genuinely were involved, even though you didn't. The law's not in your own interest, and I think some of us actually feel like we've made laws that aren't in our own interest willfully. There are people okay, there aren't that many, but really strong capitalists who are still making decisions in the interest of the wider community. So it doesn't necessarily have to like benefit you.
Use in the village, and humans are not always capable of being like, so selfless and image that they have or such.
Habermas theories really cannot fit in with identity politics.
Any more peasants everywhere? I'm joking. Somebody's birthday to work harder than me, so I don't come to this library. I'm screaming. Which old age? What's he done? I don't want to. You're right. You're actually right. We guys don't see that. I mean, I might look really creepy. Oh, wait, that's okay. Oh, okay. That's cute. Oh, wait, your content. Okay. If you want to see an ultimatum, it's giving you all that. I'm going to get panel fact. I know this is a verbal. Your head is very well. No, I need the energy, so you can get some of yours.
Hey guys, I'm Alex. How's it going?
And you go to LSE.
I'm a master's student at LSE as well.
Amazing. And what's your favorite thing about my YouTube channel?
The favorite thing about your YouTube channel is that it's the kind of like the first real life insight that I got into how it is to study at LSE.
True.
And that was really useful. It was really helpful.
Thanks. I just wanted to show you guys how pretty is the view from the law building. Right. Oh, and there we are, scaffolding just to ruin the day. Oh guys, so pretty.